All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to go over the table tag. We're going to look at the uh, header in the table. Let's see, the TH tag, the TR tag, the TD tag, the T head tag, the T body tag, and the T footer tag. These are all tags that are required inside the table to create a table. So let's go into Sublime here, which I'm already here. I'm going to hit Control N, Control S, and we're going to call this table.html. I'm going to type in HTML, hit Tab, and I'm going to go down to the 8th line here. We're going to comment this out, table tag. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to type in table. I'm going to hit return. We're going to do a table row. So let's do TR. Okay, and then we're going to do a table header. So we're going to do TH, and then let's do test, and then let's do another table header. Test2. And what you can do is let's look at the let's give this a test. Let's see how it looks. So I got test, so I got 2 rows. We can do a those are the 2 rows. We can do a table footer. So we can do T foot. This is the foot. We'll save that. Let's right click and open it in the browser. And there you go. And then you can put, we can put the table head in there. Okay, this is the head of the table. Okay. Let's see here. That looks good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is we're going to go to w3schools.com. So let's go to Google Chrome. So I'm going to click right here, click New Window. I'm going to type in W3 Schools. We're going to go to HTML. We're going to go to Tables. And we're going to try to create this. Okay, so you see here they have an H2 HTML table. Then they have a table row. So the row is company, contact, country. Then they have the name, or the company I should say. They have the name, let's see. So this is the row. So they did 1 row here. So that's this row right here. And what they did was they added the styling here and all of this here. So we're going to build this out. Okay, so let's go back to our page here. And let's delete all this. That's what I want to build. So let's do a table. Okay, and we're going to do table row. Okay, and we're going to do table head, and we'll do company. And then we'll do table head again. We'll do contact. Table head again, and we'll do country. Okay, so we'll save that, and then we're going to go below the table row, and we're going to make another table row. And we're going to do the table head again, and we're going to do Alfred's. Okay, and then let's make the next table header. Okay, and then we'll do the last one, which is Germany. Oh, I see. This can't be a TH. It has to be a TD, which defines a cell in a table. So the TH defines a header cell in a table. The TR, which we've used as a table row, defines a row in a table. And the TD defines a cell in a table. So these need to be TD. So let me change that. So what we're doing is we're making, this is the header. Okay, that's the header, so it's 3 rows across. Company, contact, so it'd be company, contact, country. And then it's company, this is the first company, then this is the contact. And the third one will be the country, so it'll be Germany. Okay, so Germany will be the country. Now we're going to make another table row. And we're going to do the same thing again. So we're going to do TR, then we'll do TD, and we'll type in the name, Central Commercial something like that. I'm not even going to butcher the name. And then TD Francisco Chang. Okay, and then we'll do Mexico. Okay, and then we'll go back one. Let's go here. We'll do TR. We'll return. We'll do TD. And we'll do Ernst Handel. I guess I am butchering names here, but it's okay. TD Roland Mendel. And we'll do Austria. Okay, I'll save that. Let's right click, open in the browser. Let's bring it over and just see how it looks. Looks fairly decent. Okay. I'm going to bring the other ones over. Actually, we'll leave it as is. Okay, so we're going to leave it just like this. Now we're going to style this because I want to show you, I want to show you some more styling things. So let's go below the title. We'll go to line 7 here. We'll do style. We'll just do it like this. Okay, and we're going to do return 2 more times. Let's go to table line 9, and we're going to do table, curly brace, font family, Arial, sans serif. Okay, we're going to do border, collapse. Width is going to be 100%. Okay, we'll close that. Next up, we're going to do TD and TH, which is the the TD defines a cell in a table, and the TH defines a header in a table. So we're going to give those 2 properties, and we're going to do border 1 pixel solid hashtag DDD. Okay, and then we're going to do text align left. Okay, we're going to do left, and then we're going to do padding 8 pixels. Okay, and then I'm going to go back, save that, and we're going to do tr inth child even. So what that means is it's going to grab the even cells and give it a background color of hashtag DDD. I'm going to save that. We're going to go back to the browser here, and now we have the same look, the look that we were looking for. The table is the full width, and when you minimize when you bring it down, the table is responsive. Now, it will cut off because this name is so long. So when you get to that point, it'll cut off, but it looks a lot cleaner. You have the separation here, so you know what it is up here, and then the first contact, the second contact, the third contact. Okay, so it's a really cool way to kind of build tables and whatnot, and it's really a cool thing. Let me see if there's one other thing I wanted to do. Let me just see here. Nope, I think that's it. So that's it for tables. In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to go over, I should say, not create anything. We're going to go over the audio and video tags in depth. And I'm going to show you all the tricks with that. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.